In this quick video, I will show you how to sell EVMOS step by step. So before we proceed, I'm going to show you 3 ways to sell your EVMOS. One is using MetaMask wallet, the second is using Kepler wallet, and the third is using an exchange. So let's go to our MetaMask wallet first. Make sure that you have EVMOS token in your MetaMask wallet, and then go to app.evmoswap.org, and then you can now type the amount of EVMOS you want to swap, and below here, click here, and you can choose seller USDT, seller USDC, but we're going to choose seller USDT. For example, I want to swap 0.5 EVMOS, and then click swap, click confirm swap, and you're gonna need to pay for the gas fee. So make sure that you leave enough EVMOS token in your MetaMask wallet. Click confirm, and you can see here the total amount of seller USDT, including the amount that we have swapped earlier. And now let's go to Kepler wallet. So make sure that you also have a EVMOS token in your Kepler wallet, and let's go to app.osmosis.zone, and then click assets here. So make sure that you have deposited your EVMOS token in Osmosis, and if you haven't deposited yet, you can just click deposit here, and then click get address here. Then you can type the amount of EVMOS you want to transfer. For example, I want to transfer 0.10 EVMOS. Click transfer coins to Osmosis, click approve, and now we have received the EVMOS token that we have transferred. Now let's go to swap here, click here, click EVMOS, and click here, and you can only choose USDC, so click USDC here. For example, I want to swap 0.70 EVMOS, then click swap, and as you can see, the transaction was successful. So let's go back to assets here, and now you have received this amount of USDC. And now the last is using an exchange. So make sure that the exchange that you are using supports EVMOS token. So you can go to mexc.com, and then you will gonna need to log in first, then go to wallets here, click overview, and then on the search bar here, type down EVMOS, then click deposit. You can choose the available network here. You can select deposit network, click EVMOS, click to generate the address first, and then click here, copy the address, go to Kepler wallet, click send, paste the address, and for example, I want to send 1 EVMOS, click send, click approve, and now you can see that I have deposited the EVMOS successfully. So let's go to our wallets here, click overview, click hide small balance, search EVMOS, and now you can see the total amount of EVMOS token you have in your wallet. Once you have deposited your EVMOS, click trade here, click EVMOS USDT, and then scroll down, then type the amount of EVMOS you want to sell. For example, I want to sell 1 EVMOS, and then you will receive this amount of USDT. And if you have any questions about how to sell EVMOS, leave a comment below.